Hey now, Scalpiana.
She screams.
Hey angels, welcome back. So today I'm going to show y'all how to lay y'all wigs. Now, just a disclaimer, I am not a professional by any means. I've just been watching YouTube videos and learning on my own. I used ErickaJ's products to lay this wig. Initially, when I installed this wig, I used ErickaJ's Hold Me Down holding spray. Now it did stay intact for a while, but seeing that I did not put an elastic band on this wig for it to be glueless, it started to lift. So since I brought all of my products with me, I just went ahead and reinforced it with the adhesive. So I took the wig off, I washed it. I didn't record me washing it because honestly I didn't bring any shampoo or conditioner, but the hotel has some, so the stuff that I used is probably really off brand, and I hope it just does not mess up my wig. But it did what it had to do. So yeah, so I washed it off and then I reinstalled it, which is what I'm going to show you guys today. And yeah, I'm looking brand new, baby. You feel me? I'm looking like $1 million again. So yeah, so let's get into it. Okay guys, like I said before, I'm using my ErickaJ products to lay this wig. My hair is already braided back from when I had the wig on previously. I'm just going to take my Miele's Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil to moisturize my scalp. The key to maintaining your hair underneath these wigs is just making sure you're keeping your hair healthy. So moisturizing and just doing what you have to do to keep your hair strong. You don't want to just leave your hair dry and untouched underneath these wigs, even though people say that leaving your hair alone helps it grow, but like you have to give it some kind of nutrients and moisture. After I moisturize my hair, I'm using my Stuck On You styling gel just to slick my edges back so they're out the way once I install the wig and put on my stocking cap. So as you can see, just putting on that stocking cap, cutting a hole in the ears just so it can lay on my sideburns properly and flat. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and spray on some of my Hold Me Down skin guard. This is just to protect your actual skin when you're putting the glue on it, and I make sure that my skin guard is completely dry before I apply my adhesive. So here I am applying my adhesive. I watched a video that ErickaJ had posted about laying wigs, so most of these steps is from that video. So this is one of her methods to having a long-lasting wig. You can install it glueless, or you can just throw your stocking cap on, glue it down. But if you want it to last a few days or even longer, you want to glue that stocking cap down first and just make sure you're applying it properly if you want a long-lasting install. I applied 2 layers of adhesive and I made sure that each layer was dry or clear before applying the next one. Then I'm just cutting off the excess stocking cap. So my next step is just taking my makeup and applying it to my stocking caps so that it matches my skin tone. Another key tip to a long-lasting install is using makeup that is oil free. So I'm just using my CoverGirl Spectrum setting powder. So after I apply my adhesive, I just go back in with some alcohol and clean off my skin. Now I'm just preparing my wig again with my She's Bomb lace tint. I'm just tinting that lace just for that extra melt, that, you know, that slay. Then I'm going in again with my skin guard. You just want to make sure your skin is protective when using these adhesives. So not only am I making sure that I have enough glue, I'm also making sure that I am covering a good amount. You don't want to put too little, but you don't want to put too much either. I'm making sure that each layer is clear before I apply another layer. My lucky number is 4, so whenever I want a long-lasting install, I always just do 4 layers of adhesive. I always start in the middle and then I go off to the sides. Now, of course, you can apply more or less. I find with this glue, even with just applying 1 layer of this adhesive, it's pretty much stuck. But like I said, I want a long-lasting install, so I go with 4 layers. Now I'm just parting out my hair for my baby hairs. So after I section out my baby hairs, I just took an elastic band and placed it on my lace. I hot combed my hair off camera just because where the hot comb plug was like nowhere in the bathroom, so don't miss that step. Okay, now, Scalpiana. So now I'm just gonna take my Fluff Stuff styling foam and style my baby hairs, as well as fixing up the rest of my hair. I was going for like that slick back curly look, so I'm just gonna use my styling foam to achieve that look. So just using my styling wrap now. You know, back in the days when you get a fresh perm, they used to put this just so your style can hold. So that's basically what I'm doing. I just want my baby hairs to stay and hold. As you guys can see, my wig is installed and laid. So I hope this video is a big help to any of you beginners out there. Like I said, I am in no way, shape, or form a hairstylist. I just learned all of these things on YouTube. I've been practicing on myself and a few friends that allow me to. I've been doing my hair on my own for, I want to say, about 5 years now. Now, obviously, just like my eyebrows in the beginning, it wasn't all that, but I thought it was all that. But you know, as time evolves and I practice more, I've evolved in my skills as well. So yeah, guys, get into it. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you guys next time.